Hey, just a quick one. I'm super freaking hungry.
Now we're talking.
I'm gonna be busy the next couple days, so I just wanna make some stuff that I'll be able to stuff in my face and not have to worry about it. So this is what I'm gonna do. Super simple, 3 blocks. Open them all. Drain them quick. This is one of these quick, easy recipes. This is what I do during the week. You know, it's nothing fancy. It's nothing I have to think about. I'll buy a few of these blocks. They run about £1.50 to £2 each. I could eat half of one of these easy for a meal, if not a whole one. And I don't spend a lot of time taking the water out. I don't care. I don't mind. It's gonna get dry in the oven. One bowl, and then I also have a pan with the parchment. Boom. I preheated the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna do 3 different flavors, and this will give me a little bit of variety. Instead of using oil, today I'm gonna use some of this Greek style yogurt. It's vegan. Got one in there. Rub that yogurt all over it, all the sides. So they're all gonna get a base of a yogurt. Just a thin layer. I don't mind adding a little bit more. Just gonna add it all into here. And I don't wanna toss them around because they'll break, but I do wanna coat them all. Once that's in there, wipe this up because I'm a neat freak. You need a second bowl. So I'm gonna take one of these, plop it right in. It's a little messy. Have a towel on hand. For seasoning for this one, I'm gonna do more of a breakfast style. And this is the egg-spired nutritional yeast with black salt, onion powder, garlic powder, a couple other seasonings in there. I did that video on this a couple back. I'm just gonna load this up. I'm gonna make sure I have the coating on all sides. It's a little messy, as I said. I'm doing this quick. Get it all on there, all the sides. Every time I touch it, it takes it away, so I'll try not to touch it too much. Frankie's drinking. On there. And then on the top. Wash my hands, wash the bowl. Second one, right in. And this one, I have a steak seasoning. It's just this I bought at the store. It's just a house brand steak seasoning. I'm just gonna add this to one side. Key is not to break the thing, but to cover it with seasoning on all sides. And it's a good amount. I probably used a good half of this jar. That's 2. 3, because this bowl's already dirty. I have a Texas barbecue rub they got at the store. So I could make my own, and I do, but today I'm just using what I have, make it easy. Put it on here, a good amount, like as much as it takes. I want it to cover all the sides. I'm gonna flip it over. What I notice a lot of people do is they don't season enough. So tofu, I don't think there's a such thing as over seasoning, especially when you're doing it from raw like this. I'm gonna add this. That makes 3. There's some extra in there. I'm just gonna take that out, rub it on top. Really don't put too much thought, too much time into this. Just season it whole like this. I'm gonna add a little bit more because I want that extra seasoning. That's it. I'm gonna wash my hands, wash the bowl. All right, good. Barbecue, steak, and the eggy tofu. Eggy tofu, steak, barbecue. They're all looking great. Now the oven's already preheated, so I'm just gonna pop these right in. Check them at 30 minutes, maybe turn them over. We'll see how it goes. It's a one shot. I'm gonna have several meals out of this, so I don't mind waiting. If you have the free time to just pop a few blocks, 3, 4, 5, even more, into the oven and just have them done like this, it's gonna save you a lot of time. And if you're like me, where I just get hungry and I look in the fridge and I have nothing but ingredients that I need to cook, this is a real simple solution, so I don't have to do too much effort. Super high protein, healthy, plant-based. Well, let's cook and we'll go say hello to Miss Franks. How's the sun treating you? Enjoying the warmth? Love you, baby. So while that's cooking, and Frankie's out there sunning herself while we have a little bit of sunshine here. So we're gonna be launching this documentary style short film. It's not long, it's less than 20 minutes, but it really goes through the whole process over the last 4 or 5 years of this whole project we've been working on. And it's a labor of love, an idea, a thought, a dream I've had for the past decade. Mushrooms I think are fantastic. If you haven't noticed, I have a whole mushroom master playlist here. I do all kinds of stuff and I'm gonna do more. When I used to work in America and used to tour slaughterhouses, I toured a lot of chicken companies. 20,000 birds go in and 2 hours later come out in a package unidentifiable. It really took a toll on me and I always wondered what else we could do. You know, fast forward to now, I've been in so many mushroom grow houses and the similarities and the setups are really like almost identical, except one causes a lot of suffering, the other one doesn't. I'm all for the mushroom growing. It's a really great alternative for any kind of meat on a natural level, like a whole food, plant-based style, natural. And the guys that filmed it, amazing. The Oh Brother Creative, and I'll link their channel below, but they did a freaking fantastic job. Amazing. I'm just super proud of it. And I'm so excited to be able to share this with you because it's just something I love and I really believe in. Like, if we can create the demand for something, then people will come to supply. Anyways, I'm off track. So the mushrooms, I mean, how you can support is just try these new mushrooms. Try them. Try some of these techniques that I've been doing. You know, whether we press them with steaks, whether you shred them for pulled kind of meat. There's some really great recipes. Try some of these. And if you're trying to eat more plant-based, this is the perfect like whole food solution. And I so appreciate all your support. And Frankie does too. Check them. So here's where we're at. Just gonna check these. Just make sure they're not sticking to the bottom. But I am gonna leave these in the oven for longer. Pop these back in. So lowered the heat to 350, 185 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit. It's pretty close, approximately. Siri, sweetheart, I hope you're having a great day. Please give me 30 minutes on the clock. On the clock. Frankie, here you go. Want your Kong? Here's your beer. Oh, good girl. Peanut butter Kong. Right. All right, this one is the barbecue one. Yum, man, this crust is so good. I'm gonna cut a couple slices here. Wow, so much flavor. The eggy one. Steak one. Yum. Both of these are so good. All of these. Wow, that right there, you can't see it because it's blurry, but some incredible flavors out of there. I don't have any bread, so I got some taco shells. I'm just gonna heat them up, make a couple quick tacos. I have a little bit of yogurt. I'm gonna put that on there. So this is the Greek style vegan yogurt. I'll put a little bit on each one. Bit of shaved red cabbage for the crunch. Not much, just a little bit. This is just quick eats. I have some vegan cheese chopped up. And then I have some green onion, the steak, the barbecue one, and the eggy tofu. Squeeze a little bit of lime on each one. And then I have a little bit of coriander. They look fantastic. I'm super excited to eat this. That's great, yeah. Super good, but I think it needs a little bit more sauce. I have some sriracha here. Could add some barbecue sauce. A little barbecue sauce on the barbecue one. This eggy one, I'm just gonna add a little bit more yogurt. Barbecue, steak, eggy tofu. Boom. Now those will last me about a couple days, 2 days, because I'll just keep eating off of them. But while I'm working on the computer, that's the easiest thing for me to eat. I can whip up a couple tacos, I can make some sandwiches, I can just carve them off, put them on a salad. It's a really simple, delicious way to eat. More plant-based. I just like it because it tastes good. I eat a ton of tofu. If you like this video, check out these over here. And I got a lot more coming up.